KK controls the game now. No one can do anything to me. Except Radha and her mother, no one else can. Now KK can handle if anyone says anything to Anushka. And yes, my daughter will listen to KK.
Sir, Miss Anushka wants to meet you.
Send her. You don't need permission to enter KK's cabin. You can come anytime. Why did you ask?
I know that. But today I didn't want to enter your cabin without permission.
What is different about today?
Just keep blessing me, Dad.
God bless you. Why are you behaving strangely today?
I need a lot of courage for the things that I'm about to tell you, Dad. And I've always sought courage from you. So that's why I was asking for your blessing.
Did Siddhant say something to you? I did not do anything wrong.
You have started with a lie, and I will start with the truth. I came to know everything, Dad. Radha and her mom have told me everything. I know that 30 years ago you had kidnapped Radha. You even murdered G.K. Krishnamurti. And that's why Radha's mother gave you that coal mine.
This is not true, Anushka. This is a conspiracy to soil KK's image. Don't believe this. I have not done any such thing.
I'm so sad, Dad, that you're still lying to me. Mr. Rao and you both kept Radha away from her mother for 30 years. Just to prevent Radha's mother from exposing you. Do you understand what this means, Dad? A mother has longed for her daughter for 30 years. For 30 years, a girl thought that she was an orphan. And you kept expanding your business during this time. Do you remember what you had said at the launch of the book 25 Years of Reddy Corporation?
The world thinks that every successful business is based on some crime or the other.
You have proven that, Dad. That your success is also based on crime. Didn't everything that you have achieved today start with that coal mine, Dad? I used to think there was no one like you. Then, because of your hard work and diligence, you became so successful. I wanted you to become the most successful businessman of the whole world and not just India's. But it feels like I was living inside a bubble till now. And that bubble has burst now. Siddhant was right about what he used to say. You have murdered Mr. Prabhakar. And that plane crash. You were behind that too. You did it to get the airline's deal. You even killed Hira, Dad. And these are the things that I know about. There must be a lot more, Dad. I don't even know about. And neither will I ever find out.
Don't say that, Anushka. I am not that bad a person.
Let me speak today, Dad. Please. You were my hero. I had given you the highest position in my heart, Dad. But today that position got washed away in front of my eyes, Dad. Tell me something. You lied to Mom, Brother Shri, Karthik, and everyone, right? Was your love for me a lie as well, Dad? I'm so proud of you, Dad. Nobody can separate me from you, Dad. Whatever you did for your daughter was a lie. Was it a lie?
Anushka, don't be so merciless, please. KK is not so bad. I never thought anything bad about you ever.
But what do I do now, Dad? What do I do? Dad, my love for you was always true and it will always remain so. But still, I will support what's true. So today, I have come here only to inform you that you just have 2 hours. And in these 2 hours, the police will come here and I will give a statement against you, Dad. If you think it is wrong, then I want to apologize to you. You can take advantage of the situation and escape. You can get Radha and her mom killed. That's what you have been doing to save yourself. If you want, you can get even me killed. Because I am ready to give my life for my dad. But I will support only what's true. Now the decision is yours, Dad, as to what you want to do.
The next generation of the Reddys. This company has been built by KK, my wife, my children, all of us.
Mr. Rao is going to cook today.
Yeah, cabbage.
I shouldn't have let her go alone. I should have gone with her.
Siddhant, please call the police. I had to fulfill this duty as a daughter. I have done it. Now it's important to support the truth too.
But we don't have any proof.
I am here, Siddhant. I will testify against him. Well, if you testify against him, the police might suspect you, Siddhant. But if I, Krishnakant Reddy's daughter, gives a testimony, it won't be ignored at all. Mother-in-law, come with me, please. I want that when the law takes its course, you should be present there.
I don't want to go anywhere. I will wait for you at home.
What are you saying, Purva?
This is the truth, Karthik. The police must have reached there to arrest your father. And then, even I should hate you. Because it was your dad who was behind my father's death. I tried, but I couldn't. The way Anushka and brother saved their relation, even we could save our relation, Karthik. I love you a lot, Karthik. Even brother has given me the permission now.
No, Purva. I can never accept that. My father did something like this.
Just tell me one thing, Karthik. If it gets proven that your father has done all of this, then will it affect our relationship, Karthik?
No, Purva. It won't affect our relation at all. Still, I'm not ready to believe that my father has done this. You please go, Purva. Go. Siddhant and Anushka have gone with the police to get Dad arrested.
Why?
Purva had come over. She said that all of Dad's crimes have been proved and now the police will arrest him.
Shri, I think we should go to the office. We'll think about what to do.
All right,
Shri, you
Mom.
can call up
Let's
the
go.
lawyers
Come on,
on
let's
the way,
go.
okay?
You and I were like two peas in a pod, right? You were my best friend, Prabhakar. You stood by me, be it times bad or good. But then you were consumed by the thought of standing by the truth. Then you forgot everything. What is the truth? It is a point of view, a perspective. But friendship? Friendship is an emotion, a feeling, sentiments. It is what you and KK had for each other. I always stood by you. I have never been against you. But you did not honor my friendship, Prabhakar. You broke our friendship and chose the belief system created by the society.
We have certain duties towards the society too. And if we can help catch a criminal, why should we let him go?
You chose the truth. KK did not want to kill you. I tried everything possible to knock some sense into you and keep you from coming into KK's way.
I think very soon I'll be able to find out who all are responsible for that plane crash.
That is the job of the police, Prabhakar. Let them do their job. Coming to the things I've done in life, I have no regrets. None whatsoever. The only thing I regret is killing you, Prabhakar. What did you get? You took your life and wrecked it for the sake of some stupid principles. Look at KK. Now KK is more successful than ever. This world is not affected by the truth, Prabhakar. The world is beyond the concepts of good and evil. Your son Siddhant, he thinks that he will have KK punished. That is one innocent kid. Because as long as I have Radha and her mother in my clutches, neither the police nor Siddhant can harm KK at all. However, KK is only scared for Anushka. I don't want to lose the respect my daughter has for me. All of you, wait outside. Don't allow anyone to enter till KK does not say so. Not even the police.
Yes, sir.
Goel?
I called him. Well, I had taken an oath on my dad and promised him, if I can, whatever the Reddys have snatched away from you, I'll return everything to you with interest.
Anushka?
Have you gone mad, Anushka? What are you doing? Did you get influenced by what Siddhant said?
He's our dad, Anushka. You want to get him arrested?
Sorry, Mom. Karthik, brother, sister-in-law. Whatever I felt right and truth, I did it. When you will find out the truth, then even you would do the same.
Is it? And what's the truth?
And who will decide?
And what is the proof? Do you have evidence?
I have not decided anything. I have left the decision on him. Let's go and we will all ask him what he has decided to do.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Get aside. Let us go in. Mr. KK has asked you to wait for a while. Listen, I don't need KK's permission. I've got an arrest warrant against him. We abide by Mr. KK's words. If you still want to try, then you may go ahead. We won't move from here until Mr. KK asks us to.
Father will take care of it. Please go ahead.
Sorry, sir. I take orders only from Mr. KK. Okay. Don't let the police go inside, but allow us to go in. We are family. Sorry, sir. It's Mr. KK's order. We can't let anyone in.
Have you lost your mind or what?
Look, I think we should handle the situation patiently.
You, go and bring more force.
Did the police arrive?
Yes, sir.
Is Anushka there?
Yes, sir.
Send her inside.
Miss Anushka, Mr. KK has asked you to come in.
Just a moment. Why did he call her? Why didn't you tell him that Shrikant is here, Karthik is there, Mom and Riddhi? Tell him about us.
Mr. KK has specifically asked Mr. Anushka to come inside.
Hey,
Please go, ma'am.
I'll be back.
I don't think it's right, Anushka.
Siddhant, he is my dad. If I need to be scared of him, then everything else is meaningless. Well, even I should know as to what my dad is capable of.
I called you here so that you get to see KK's true colors. Whatever you said was true. All the allegations you made against KK were absolutely true. You just went wrong at one place. When you said that my love for you is not true. You just hurt KK with those words. KK's existence might be fake, but my love for you is true. That is KK's truth. Karthik and you were born together. When I went to the hospital, I held Karthik in my hands first. Karthik was a boy, my successor. I thought that he would grow up to be like me. And then the nurse forcefully kept you on the lap of KK. And do you know what was the first thing you did? You held KK's finger. that day, that moment, it changed KK. KK witnessed something special for the first time in his whole life. Tears rolled down my face. And those tears washed away a lot of things. KK Reddy became a father of a baby girl. All the lies that KK has told on one side. I might have said 1,000 lies, but there is also one truth. And that is that KK loves Anushka very much. This is the only truth about KK Reddy. Now, your father has lost your respect. He didn't turn out to be what you had expected. Please forgive me. But do not ever forget that KK loves you very, very much. This is true. Won't you hug your father? Huh?
Dad, even I love you more than anyone in this world.
KK made you cry. I'm sorry. Now, take them away from here. They are not in danger anymore. Whatever KK snatched from them, you should return it to them. All right? And ask the police to come in. KK will surrender now. Go. Go. Go.
Now, who are they?
This is our final evidence against your father.
Please let the police go in.
But ma'am,
Well, Dad is ready to surrender. Please let them go in.
Anushka?
Dad!
Call the ambulance, fast!
Dad!
KK Reddy must have told 1,000 lies, but there is also one truth, and that is I love you very, very much.
Father-in-law?
Brother. Dad.
Siddhant is just like KK.
That is not true. You will realize it one day.
Do you want to make a bet?
Dad.
KK has lost the bet he made with Prabhakar. You are Prabhakar Sinha's son. Prabhakar has defeated KK.
Dad.
Dad!
Dad!
We all desire to reach our destination. But are we really ready to pay the price for the way we choose to reach there?
Dad!
There is only one way to reach the destination, the right way.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.